Hi, I'm Jerry, founder of ImPAK Training Co. Our goal is to create the most versatile training equipment to allow you to train how you want, when you want, where you want. Here at ImPAK, we took our desire to train on our own terms and designed a training tool that will let you do just that. Take training into your own hands and let you carry your gym and gear wherever you go. The ImPAK training bag is a portable, mountable striking pad that can turn almost any tree or pole into your very own personal punching bag. The idea for ImPAK started during the pandemic when shutdowns limited access to gyms and proper training. Since training at home isn't always an option for everyone, we wanted to create something that allows martial artists and combat sports enthusiasts to train without those limitations. With a mission to make martial arts and combat sports more accessible, we came up with the ImPAK training bag for you. Whether you're a pro fighter on the hunt for a belt or looking for a fun way to exercise and stay active, the ImPAK training bag can help you reach your goals. With a dual-layered foam core made out of high-density EVA for strong impact absorption and open-cell PU foam for cushioning and energy dissipation, the toughest solvent-free EcoFlow leather outer shell we can source, along with top-of-the-line hardware such as
YKK zippers and Woojin buckles.
We've designed the ImPAK training bag to go the distance with you on your martial arts journey. As a backpack, the bag has ergonomically designed padded back panel and shoulder straps for maximum comfort, complete with sternum and waist straps for weight distribution and stability for when you're on the go. When solo training, the mounting system consists of 3 fastening straps with quick-release buckles that secure the bag to most trees or poles, becoming your mounted striking target. The shoulder straps can be stowed away, and the fastening straps can be completely removed for a more streamlined training experience, depending on how you want to use it. For coaching and training with a partner, you can hold it like a thigh pad, a kicking shield, or even wear it like a body protector. The ImPAK training bag can even carry your gear with its 12-liter expandable compartment. That's a pair of 10-ounce gloves, hand wraps, a towel, and a 1-liter bottle, all fitting easily with room to spare. For larger items like shin guards, the fastening straps can be used to strap your gear to the outside of the bag. Here at ImPAK, our mission is to lower the barrier of entry and expand beyond the limitations of traditional training, to empower you on every step of your active journey. Let's kick some ass together. Back this campaign now and reserve your own ImPAK training bag today.